Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to show the rack which has the Pratham books, Karadi Tales, Tulika, Katha, and all the other things. So I'll show you one by one. This is the first level. In Pratham book, they have 4 levels: one, 2, 3, 4. You can see here. First, we started with level 1. This is a nice book. When they are starting to read, also, we can use these books for beginner readers. Then this is a new edition, Chaos Day at Beach. This we learnt about different crabs, and when we went out recently, we were able to tell the names of the different crabs randomly. We didn't know which is which, but we were so excited to see the crabs. Stage fright. I'll just show what is inside a little bit so that you can get an idea when you buy this book. We got few of our books from the site directly, the others from Pupilio bookstore. This is one of the good book to learn about the skip counting. This is Tulika bilingual book, The Seed Beach, and this also you can use for beginner readers once they are familiar with the matras and other things. By reading this book, Ash was able to understand Hindi. This one who ate all that up. I want that one. This is her favorite because she'll be like this, and this book we were so much able to relate to her. Rani's first day at school. Ash is so much interested to go to school because she has never been to school yet, and she's just imagining stuffs about the school. And this was a perfect book to tell about school. We have so much first day on school like that, and she loves that. Anand, this is also one of the good ones. This we can easily relate to our surrounding because every day people come to take the garbage in the truck, and so every people we call as Anand only. No smiles today. This will tell about the broken tooth that kids will have, and nice one. Magic block. So whenever she sees a magnet, she always keeps saying pling cling pling cling. It tells about the attraction and the repulsion. Satya, watch out. This is a level 2 book. All the red ones are level 2, yellow is level 1, green is level 3, and blue is level 4. We still didn't get any level 4 books. We are just in the level 3. Where is Gogo? Riza learns to swim. This is the first book we got in level 3. So I got few things that will interest her. Sea animals and aquatic are most her favorite. Cube and cone, the best one to learn about the shapes and the 3D shapes. Your body is yours. It tells about the importance of your body, and do not keep any secret to your parents or the people whom you trust. Too small, too big. All these books Ash has started reading on her own because they have you can see a very clear text which will be easy for them to read. It's not that you have to get only the beginner readers book. You can also get these kind of books and get simple sentences. Wet or dry waste, to how to separate different wastes. This is a level 2 umbrella for Durbi about a dragonfly. This is a new edition, Laundry Day. Few new editions that we got recently. Did I hear you? Hasim saves the mango. The favorite part I like in this book is the recipe for the pickle and all that stuff. Then Amma's toolkit. Aloo Malu Kalu. She liked this, so we got another one from this as Aloo Malu and Who. Sringeri Srinivas is our all-time favorite. We almost have all except one, I guess. And this is the annual haircut day. Uma versus Upma, one of the first books. When will Amma be back? It is a good one to teach the time. This is also for skip counting. It will be by skip counting by tens. Whale in the sky. the different shapes of the sky that we are clouds we see. Lenin's Guess. This is the one we drew for one of our drawing class. Then Tamil, Kappuvin Nadanam. These are all Akshita's most favorite. Can and Card Level 1 book. Curly and Straight. This is one of her favorites, I would say. Everything seems to be her favorite one. This tells about how wind is there everywhere. And this is about the coronavirus. We got this for her so that in future, if she may read, she'll be able to know what has happened. This is from Tulika, bilingual book. So it's like if we move like this, it will be like this model. And this is a Tamil one. She always loves book in her native language, and this is a Hindi. So now these books are some of the first books that we got. Then we started adding so much to our stash. Too Much Noise. This is a bilingual book. These both are like connected. First, they will all go to her village, then she will come to the town. So it is like related. But even if you buy a single book, it is not a problem. There will not be any link. Bilingual books I read only in Hindi. I never read in English, so that she can get. She'll be able to understand Hindi. I'll try reading her slowly. For Tamil also, when we read Tamil, we don't explain to her in English. We just read it in Tamil so that she can get to understand. Because she has confusion of mela, keela, like that. So only if we keep using the words, they will get to understand. This is one of the easy books she loves to read. And this is from Karadi Tales, her all-time favorite, because this book is like this fold-out book. You can see. So back also there will be story continued. This is a book that we got from Dina Story. This we got mainly so that she learns about sharing. And this is for Diwali, and for this we got Diwali diyas we got, and for the sharing book we got a medal. We still use that medal. How I feel. Pratham books comes in the range of 50, 60, even for 220 big ones. Farmer Falgu series, this is also our favorite ones. We have 3 books from this series. Have you seen Sundari? See, it is here, it is here. So it is like identifying. And this is another one. Farmer Falgu goes for kite flying. Farmer Falgu series is 250. This is a store-bought one, so there is a double sticker. And this is from the side, so there is not. And this is my favorite, the story and the song, and it is also her favorite. The illustrations are really awesome, and the story is also very good. So whenever I take a hair bath, she always tells, Amma, you're like Parvati. Satya's Boat, it's from Tulika. All these books have beautiful illustrations. We love them. This is Junior Kumbhakarna. This we got during the Gulu time. That was the first time we kept Kumbhakarna set, so we got this. And this is the first book on counting. It's a kids will be able to count like 9, 8. So they have to count the children's in each pages. And this is a bilingual book. For every bilingual book, we read only in Tamil. If it is Hindi bilingual, we read only the Hindi. We don't read in English. Where is the Sun? This is also a nice book. A Camel for Keelam, sorry. This is a Pratham book. So this book is 55, and this is Rainbow Boys, and backside it will be Rainbow Girls. All these books will be available in Hindi, English, and all. Most of the books we get in English because English only is available in Pupilio. The other languages were not available. This is the animals changing their skin and calling out different names. This is from Tulika. It is about the special kids. We have so many books about special kids so that Ash finds everyone very friendly and she doesn't feel different about them. This is about the La Chhatri, red umbrella. This seems to be big, but when you read it will be small only. It is a combination of English and Hindi, so the page might look with so much text, but when you read it is a simple one. This is Tamil one, Tungi Dance. All the Tamil books will be read by her dad. This Puchko Seeks a Song. This is from Pratham. It is level 3 and it's 55. Walk with Tambi. Here it tells about how the visually challenged kid enjoys, and the illustrations are really beautiful. The main Tulika books we love because of the cover page. You can see the beautiful covers they have. See? This is a Tamil one. And Little Painters from Pratham books. This you must have seen, Mala Silver Anklet. This flip throughs are most of the books flip throughs available in my channel. You can check out the videos. This is the Pottering Pig, and this is 60 rupees. So each book rate differs. This is a special book because this is author signed book, and we are very happy about it because we have so many Nandini Nair books with us. This Little Panda Lost. All are welcome. This is a very good book about all kids are different, but yet we are friendly and equal in school. It's the first day at Pug School. This is Vannathu Thirudan. This was a very nice book, but it is a very big story. So I got it in Tamil so that her dad will only read. I will not read. Incredible Insects. It's about accounting. Very basic book. It's about the bee. It is 45. And Gobble Up from Tara Books. We have very few collection from Tara Books, but they are really awesome. This is Tara Books, all are our favorite. What George Forgot. This is Normal Stories that we got as a gift. This one is Katha Books. Katha Books also we sourced from Pupilio. This one is not same one, different one, but in Tamil. It came in the mail. This is from Karadi Tales. She loved the Bella series. We first got, I think, How Bella Misses the Train. She liked it, so we got this Wednesday Bazaar too. Then The Elephant in the Backyard. What Will I Be? This is also from Nandini Nair. This series will be nice. Then this is Breakfast of India. New Years of India. This both book as a set. The Great Race. This also will be nice. The drawings and the paintings all will be nice. They will also mention who has done this, and this is a favorite part, that who has drawn it will be a name. And painting and everything is a really nice book. You can really get this, your kids will enjoy. It is about the Pithora and painting. This is the same series, but What Will I Give? And this one most of you have seen. This is Kolkata. This is from Nool Monsters, our favorite one. The Tamil rhymes. We have cards in this. They have the video version of the rhymes also. Gajapati Kulapati series, our favorite one. We have all the 4. You can I have a 3 copy of this. If you want, you can get it from us. And there's a monster under my bed, because this book clearly explains there is nothing to get scared of the dark. There is nothing there. Here comes the other part from the same book box. This part I'll finish with this set of books, because I guess there are so many books, so you can pause and see the titles that you wish to buy. This is a Tamil one. I'll try to share the links of the handles and the websites that I have got the books. All these are available on Nestri too. I'll share the link. You can get all the books at one stop. This is about letter writing, how kids write letter. This we have 3 books. This is a katha. This is about dogs. Ash is a big fan of dog, cat and fish, so we get those books too often. This is about the champa flower. This is a big mouth. It is the same story as 2 birds and tortoise. This is a jungle radio. It is a nice one. It tells about the Indian birds and the sounds they make in the jungle. This is again a bilingual book which tells about one and many with beautiful illustrations. And this Ash reads by herself because she loves this book, and the illustrations are also really beautiful. This is a Friday fair. It is from Katha. This is Sunrise and Moonrise. It's an introduction about how different kids worship different gods, and but all are same at the final. So nice one. I think this flip through is available. Khanna Panna, it is also Tamil one. It tells about a visually challenged kid. Elephants Never Forget. It is from Tara Books. Mao and the Mustaches. It is from Tulika. We attended the storytelling of this and we got this book. And this Runaway Peacock has a beautiful illustration. And this we got from Amazon. The Girl Who Thought in Pictures. This beautifully explains about the characters of the people in the story. The Rooster Raga, it is from Tulika. All the illustrations of our Indian books are really colorful, attractive and nice. This is Little Vinayak. It tells about how the elephant has a very big trunk, very long trunk, and how others helped him. Tuppa, it's a nice book. Again, it's about the visually challenged kid. And they also have the recipe on how to make the tuppa. And this first set we got a sound book we got when Ash was around 6 months old. The next one we got now recently, and this is about Durga Puja we got during the Kolu time. This we got in the store, not in the online, but it's also available in Amazon. And this is Maharani the cow. This has a very beautiful illustrations. Okay, bye. See you in the next part. If you want to see the titles of the book, you can pause the video and check for the titles. I will also share the resources in the description, so check the description. Bye bye. Take care.